We interrupt this program for a test of the emergency alert system in the following Virginia localities: Newport News, Williamsburg, and the counties of Isle of Wight, James City, Surry, and York. All EAS stations serving these localities are requested to broadcast the following test message for the Dominion Energy Surry Nuclear Power Station. There is no emergency. The sirens you just heard were a test of the early warning siren system around the Surry Nuclear Power Station. There is no emergency. The early warning siren system is designed to provide an alerting signal to the people who live within 10 miles of the Surry Nuclear Power Station. In the event of an actual emergency, 4 separate 3-minute siren blasts would be sounded. Each 3-minute blast separated by 1 minute, alerting you to tune to your local emergency alert system radio or television station. To repeat, the sirens you just heard were a test of the early warning siren system at the Dominion Energy Surry Nuclear Power Station. There is no emergency. This concludes the test of the emergency alert system.
On and dropping down to the